Hello, welcome back to No Scrap Diecast. This is just a little purchase video of some of my Britain stuff. I've only got one box in here. I thought I'd just show you one box that I do because not everybody's into the tractors. And yeah, so this is what I bought before Christmas last year. Like I say, I'm going to put it up as a March purchase because that's when it is when I'm filming it. I forgot to bring my tripod in, so I'm going to be holding everything by hand, and so there will be a bit of shaking, so I apologise for that. But right, let's get on with it. Right, I'm going to start with I've got this Ford 6600. This is a 1980 to 81 version with the black, I don't know if you can see it, the black seat and the solid steering wheel. Bit of a job to see it in this light, I know. But yeah, so obviously it needs exhaust. It should have a screen in this one, a plastic screen in the front, windscreen. Yeah, that's like I say, that's an 80 to 81 version of it. So it's one of the last versions they did with the cab before they did a cheaper version, and then they went to this one, and I'll talk about that later on. But yeah, also it needs a bit of work, a bit of money spent on it as well. The trouble is the parts ain't cheap. That's the worst thing about the Britain stuff. Right, I will tell you what I paid for these. I did pay too much for these. I will admit. That Ford I paid with postage £12.53. I paid for that. I mean, I think it looked because of light. Got the light here. I think it's making it look better than what it is. Next one is a Massey Ferguson 595. When you look for these, you want to get them with the rear lights on, because the floor pans, I think, are about £7 or £8, something like that, to replace them. Obviously, still needs a cab, exhaust and air filter. That's one piece on these here, the exhaust and air filter. Well, I don't know if I've written the year that one down. I'll have a quick look and I'll tell you. Right, yeah, that's 1976 to 79. And I did pay, just trying to have a look what I paid for it. I paid a tenner for that. But like I say, that is worth, I think they're £7.50, something like that. Just that bit there. So I thought it's worth it just for that. But it's not in bad nick. Needs, obviously, it needs painting and just what we're doing, you know. There's a lot of linkage on the back where I want sorting out. That's the normal for these, so I won't tell you every time it needs one, because that's pretty obvious, I think, almost. This one is, obviously, is this 1973 to 75, with these castings with the exhaust further back. This one needs wheel arches as well, because this one has got the plastic lug broke off of it. And you can make something up to do it. I mean, I might end up doing that. The wheels are not fantastic paint, but then when you think how old it is, it's not bad. The linkage is slightly bent on the back. I might be able to sort that out, but if not, the linkage is about a couple of quid, you know. But for the age, it ain't bad. So, yeah, and I pay for that. Did I tell you what? So I've written some things down just so I can remember. Yeah, £10.75 I paid for that one with postage. Like I say, they're not cheap in the first place. Then they start working out expensive, especially the Massey Fergusons and that with all the plastic, and the 4TW20s. Alright, let's see what else I got. So the next one I've got is this Ford 6600. Now they stopped making the 6600 in 81. And they started making these cheaper moulds without the exhaust holes. As you can see, got no exhaust holes. Just to make a cheaper tractor for people to buy. And then they come up, I can't really decide, they're putting the 6600 badges, stickers back on, or decals, whatever you want to call them. And so they've run these for a year with the scraper on. And I paid too much for this, well too much, I think, for this particular model. But at the time when I bought this, I couldn't even find a scraper, and the cheapest scraper I could find was £42. So I bought this. I'll just have a look what I paid for this. £16.92 with postage. It needs another link from here. There's like a top link, plastic top link, and it should have a white roll bar, plastic roll bar on the front of it. But like I say, these are getting a bit hard to find, these particular Fords with this particular model in this colour. But it's the scrapers, and they did one for the Massey Ferguson, what was grey and red. I think it was grey and red, and even that's a job to get hold of. What was at the time when I got this? So like I say, for 16 quid, I was quite happy just to get the scraper. Obviously, it just needs repainting, stickers, and that's more it's ready to go. That, I mean, that's just a quick refurb, that one. But I quite like that one. Right, and then you've got this one, which is a Massey Ferguson with no writing on it. And this particular one is ready to go. This is I bought it basically, and it's perfect. Doesn't have the roll bar on this one, or this is just how it comes. No driver, no nothing. 86 to 88, this one. And I paid, what did I pay for this one? £10.52. I'm not sure if you can get these in orange. These bits with the rear lights, I'm not sure if you can get them. Like I say, that is how that one is. That's how it came out of the box, just like that. So yeah, that don't really need a lot done. Well, I don't think it needs anything done to it. Like I say, that's how it came out of the box. Nice little tractor, that, actually. Nice little tractor. I do like the Masseys. I mean, I'm a Ford person myself, but I do like the Masseys. Right, next got the Volvo BM. Needs a cab. Yeah, needs a cab. A few little bits and pieces. It's got the lights. These lights turn. Well, sort of turn. Yeah, it's not bad condition. I don't know where you can see it. It's not in bad condition at all, actually, that one. But definitely needs a cab. And like I say, I haven't really looked over it, to be honest with you. It's been a long time since I've had them out. I'm trying to remember what I need. But I think I paid, what I paid a Volvo BM? £13.47 for that. A lot of money in it for what it is. I think I've overpaid, but I don't think it needs painting. I don't know what you can see on the camera, but it looks pretty good. Definitely needs a cab, but I think a cab is about £7. I'll just show you this one before I dive in the box and start getting them out of the box. JCB, what's it, 1135, something like that, 1135. I bought this, I don't know how long ago, quite a while ago, so I can't remember the price of it. It's never been played with, but it's not in a box. I've got another one in a box that's never been out of the box as well, but I think that's in a big box under the bed somewhere. I think that's where it is. I couldn't find it tonight, and I thought this will do for just to show you some of the tractors for anybody who's interested. Well, I'm just going to show you inside the box. I'll unwrap them and get them out so we're not listening to the rattling. I'm only rattling, sort of getting through them quick tonight because I just thought I'd do a few videos just to show you what I've got to do. I've already started on my first car restoring. Yeah, so that'll be the next video. So the next up is a Land Rover. Yeah, this Land Rover is covered in marker pen. I don't know how well you can see it actually. I think more of a shadow from my hand. It's absolutely covered. Lights, everything's covered, right? So some little git has done that, just vandalised it. And the sad thing is, I know who did that. I did that. It's one of mine. I sold all my Britain stuff a few years back, what was mint, but for some reason I covered this one in bloody marker pen. I don't know why I've done it. No idea, because my stuff was immaculate. My tractors I had as a kid. So yeah, that's a Land Rover to do. I've got a few Land Rovers, Not that I'm really into Land Rovers, I just, you know, but I do like them, sort of thing, you know, they're alright. And I thought they'd be a good thing to practice on when I first start, but obviously I've got so many sort of Corgis juniors and stuff to play with, and I've got loads of cars coming, so yeah, so I put it over there. Then there's another one. I bought it. I don't know if I've got the. I don't think I've got the prices for the Land Rovers I paid. Yeah, have I got the price for this one? No, I haven't. But I broke this one, and for some reason it's in a box somewhere. I broke the chassis. Just been silly. The bumper was down a little bit, and I just touched the bump and it snapped off. Didn't go to press it or anything. I just literally touched it, and it fell off the chassis, snapped in half. They're not, the die cast is sort of quite weak and thin there, as you can see, but it's snapped off. That's my fault. And this one had the centre post took out. Somebody took the centre post out of the windscreen. Well, actually looks quite alright, doesn't it, if you compare it to that one. So I've got that spares, or maybe I can do something with it, you know, who knows. Right, I'll unwrap another one. I actually were there. Cargo trailer for the Land Rover. I thought they would look quite smart if they were coloured, you know, the same colours as the Land Rover. They'd look quite smart on them, wouldn't they? So I'm not too sure how the light is, because hopefully you can see it and I'm not flashing around too much. Like I say, there you go. Right, I'll start unwrapping them. Right, so the next one. I bought it, and then the bloke, I could see the wheel was a bit knackered, but the wheel just disintegrated when the bloke went to pack it on the front of it, so that axle will probably fall out. This is a Ford 6600 77, 79, the blue seat, and you see the steering wheel there's like got the holes in it, I think, yeah. So that's a 70, and these are blue instead of black, and like the other one was. But like I say, that's I paid two. Again, I didn't do too bad with that. I guess it was come with the man as well. It was £8.25 with postage, so I suppose that's not too bad. It's not bad condition casting, to be honest with you. Wheel arches are on it, mud guards I should say, whatever you want to call them, wings, they're all on it. Hydraulics might be a little bit out, they're not too bad. Yeah, mainly paint and stickers, and well, oh yeah, and this somebody's put an axle right through the wheels on this one, so you normally only get it more on one side. There you go. So it's been well fiddled with. Right, next I bought these three, and there's another Land Rover. I'll show you that in a minute if it's in that box. So there's a 77 to 79. Well, no, it's not, is it? Because it's got a solid steering wheel on it. So it's a bit of a bit, I think. I'll have to look it up to see what that one is. But yeah, another Ford 6600. No steering arm on it. Steering arm's missing. I don't know where you can see it. Steering arm's missing. Hydraulics, you know, the linkage well bent. But there's still some good parts on there, I think. Yeah, there's still like that wheel arch, just got the two lugs on. And there's that one. No, that's it. I don't know if you can see it. That was only got the one lug, so that's knackered or can be bodged. But it's got the wheels on it, what I want for the other one. So, you know, you can make a pair out of them. Deutz, I don't know how you pronounce it. Again, I bought it for parts more than I did anything else, you know, and I thought, well, you never know, something else comes up you can make. You can always swap them about a bit, can't you? I say it's not the best, but it's alright, you know. And then there's another Volvo got one of the lights actually missing. The casing's there, but the actual light's missing. Broken exhaust, broken mud guards, but I think the linkage looks okay. Can't really see it. It's well bent, but might be able to straighten it or something. There's some spares there, if nothing else. Oh, but that and that Land Rover, £7.95. So that's not bad, is it? 3 tractors and a Land Rover. I'll see if I can find the Land Rover. So this is a Land Rover. I don't know what it is, green, so I hope it's showing green on the thing. It doesn't look very green on the camera. With a horrible brown interior, but it's got the driver. It's got the driver and the spare wheel. Tow hitch is bent, but it hasn't got a glass front screen in it. That's missing. But so I've got one in. That one what I broke. Mirrors are usually broken for these as well. So it's nothing normal, nothing bad. Not, the bumper's not sort of that bad. They get bent in. Tow hitch is bent a bit, but it's not too bad. Just a little bit sticking in the air. But not bad. Not bad when you consider what I paid for them. Yeah, that's all right. I'm quite happy with that. See what else I've got. Well, another Matty, orange one. Obviously, it hasn't got a lot to it. These, like I say, these lights are gone. So that's the floor pan. They call them, the classman's a floor pan. I think they're quite about £7 for a red one, but I don't know if you can get the orange ones. But I thought it's all right for spares. That the hydraulic levers fell. I don't know where you can see it in here, but the hydraulic levers fell down. Yeah, but it's all right for spares. But I did pay again. I paid £5.14 with that for postage. So I'll say if you get another one with certain bits on it, you can build them up, can't you? Rather than, but like I say, you try to chuck them. But for me, it's like spare wheels. I was thinking of the wheels more than I was anything else. Yeah, we're getting there now. Anyway, we're getting there. Right, so this is the last vehicle. Another Land Rover, but it has got a mirror. I don't know where you can see it because the light's not the best in it at the moment. Not too bad. It's got the screen in it. It's got. I'm trying to let my hand out of the way. It's got the driver. It's not that bad. £7.95 I paid for that. Yeah, I've just got a couple of little bits in the box. I'll show you what we use for spares, and I think that's about it. Right, it's just a few bits in the bottom of that box. Roller, baler knackered, drawbar snapped off. But these are basically the same as the Land Rover wheels. Same with that. I thought set of wheels. These are just what come with other bits that have been chucked in, Like I say, there is another box somewhere. I'm not going to work it out tonight. I just thought I'd show you some of the Britain stuff I've got today. There's more, a lot more, but it gets a bit all the samey, doesn't it? So yeah, and I've started the project to my first diecast car, so that'll be the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this sort of stuff, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, the usual sort of stuff, and I'll see you next time. Remember, it's okay not to be okay. Alright, bye bye for now.